un'idea ogni 5 minuti. Sì, mi voglio fare questo, andiamo lì. No, andiamo qua. No, poi andiamo qua. No, andiamo qua. No, andiamo qua.
Yes, welcome guys to my YouTube channel. It's me once again, and today guys I'm taking you to one of the amazing events going to take place here in Dubai. Yeah, so let's go ahead and see what's gonna happen. Yeah, let's go guys, let's go and see how it's gonna be. Yeah, your boy once again guys, don't forget to subscribe like you always do, and also watch my videos, because this is one new fresh one that you have not to miss. Yeah, let's cross guys. Wow, look at this guys, look at this. Everybody's rushing to go back home. And actually some of them even going to duty. It's two-way traffic. Those going for duty and those coming back from duty. So that's why you see everybody's rushing. Yeah, so guys, this is how Dubai looks like at night. So if you know this place, guys, comment before I can tell you where I am. If you know this place, if you have ever been here at night, I think you already know this place. Please comment. Wow, just look, there is traffic. This is a busy place mostly at night, and also during the weekend it's so much busy traffic, and there's also people rushing to go back home, and also some of them going to duty. So it's always like chaos in the evening. Oh, look at this guys, just look at this. If you know the tingle, yeah, that is it.
Why you get from that?
The time is 7:53 p.m. and you can see how Dubai looks like, guys. Wow. Mar is one of the leading property masters here in Dubai.
dar un stycke.
Que los agarres y se los ponen.
So guys, I'm in Dubai Marina. Yes, specifically in the areas of JBR beach. When you look at that, you immediately understand which place I am standing. You know what I mean? Yes. The beach. So now you guys, you know where I am right now. This is the beach. Yes, this is how it is, guys. I'm happy to be here, and it's looking so nice. Wow, look at this. Wow. Yeah. So guys, actually I'm coming here to show you one amazing event, but unfortunately, you will forgive me, I found when it has already started. But you can see it, those are the pyro drone shows, and yeah, that's how it is moving. If you can see clearly, I don't know guys, but that is it. You can see it in the space. See it, guys. That is it, guys. You see how it looks like. Wow, look at that. And that one actually it is in the space, guys. Those are drones. Those are drones. They are like they are bursting fireworks. Look at how it is. That's not a lighting from the ground. Those are drones. Wow. Let me see, guys, what I can run and show you. Let me run. Wow. me run, guys, so that I can show you before it finishes. Wow. I came late, but I will try to show you something. And look at that bicycle, you know. I can hear the drone sounds. they have started.
هذا ناطرين لا هذا شوف هذا هذا يدي شوف سكاي دايفنج سكاي دايفنج
So guys, those you see up there, those are sky divers. See, they are going towards the plane.
Then people